Hey, what's up everybody? 2019 Corolla LED mirror blinker replacement. Get this guy right here. Get yourself a couple tools like this. Small flathead, little plastic pry bar. You could pop this cover off right here. You just get it in there, gently pop it up. Once this is off, we're going to gently tuck our mirror in and get a small flathead. Push this mirror in over here this way gently. And then these two little plastic claws are holding the LED in. See these two little holes right here? Basically, on the inside there's just these two little plastic fingers that are gripping these little holes right here. So all you do is you lift them up and then you can pull this out. You might have to use like two flatheads to lift them both up at the same time. Pull this out and then you get this connector. You just push this button and undo this like that. You just push on the little button part and pull it out. Go ahead and get your new one. This is one from the dealer. This is the part number. This is for the passenger side. So go ahead, we'll just reconnect this connector in. You should hear like a little clip pop. And then we'll just gently put this in place. Make sure it's lined up with that little hole, that little stud thing. Put it in and it should lock in place. We'll go ahead and test this before we put our cover back on. Okay, it's working. Everything's good. And then we'll put our cover back on. Just should be gentle with this and just kind of snap it in place. You might have to like kind of snap a part in and then kind of make sure the other parts are lined up. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped you out.